What's up, everybody? Zach from Redwood Chronicles here out another day at duck hunting. Let's see what we can get into.
Take them. I think I got both of them. Take them. I think I got both of them, I'm not gonna lie. Did you shoot one or did I get both?
I might have got the first one. It was the one I was aiming at, but
Oh, you good?
Woo! 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 I almost did it again. Shoot it.
Oh, I'm jammed. You want to go get it or you want me to get it?
I got him.
Nice shot.
Huh? That a boy.
Old buffle. I think I got it with that last one, yeah? Huh?